In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore old page versions in Confluence. If you've ever made changes to a Confluence page and wished you could roll back, you're in the right place. Restoring an older version is quick, safe, and keeps a full record of your page's history so nothing is lost. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Confluence page you want to restore. Navigate to it from your space or use search to find the exact page. Make sure you're on the page that needs the rollback before continuing. Next, head to the top right corner of the page and click the More Actions menu, the three dots icon. From that menu, choose Page History. This opens a dedicated view showing every saved version of the page. If you don't see Page History, you may not have the right permissions, and you'll need someone with access to restore it for you. In the Page History view, you'll see versions listed by date, author, and version number. Browse the list until you find the version you want to bring back. Click the version number to open it. This opens a read-only snapshot of the page at that point in time, which is perfect for double-checking content, formatting, and layout before you commit. Since we're using Confluence in the browser, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can sign in and follow along as you watch. Once you've confirmed the snapshot is exactly what you need, click Restore on the version page. Confluence will instantly revert the current page to match that older content. And, importantly, it creates a brand new version that records the restoration. That means your prior work isn't erased. It's simply moved into the history so you can always go back again if needed. Finally, return to the page and confirm the restoration worked as expected. Scan the headings, text, images, and any tables or macros to make sure everything looks right. The restored version is now the live version, and all previous versions remain available in page history for future reference. A quick tip to avoid mistakes: always preview versions by clicking their numbers before restoring. It takes just a moment and can save you from rolling back to the wrong point in time. That's it. Open the page, go to page history, choose the version, restore, and confirm. Simple, safe, and fully reversible. Thanks for watching.